Hey foodies! Today I'm bringing you 3 vegetarian recipes that are so delicious you won't even miss the meat. Trust me, these dishes are going to make your taste buds dance like they're at a jazz club. Let's dive into these mouth-watering recipes, each packed with flavor and health benefits. Ready? Let's go! First up, we have the classic chickpea salad. It's quick, it's easy, and it's loaded with nutrients. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 cucumber diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1/4 cup red onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Just toss everything in a bowl, mix it up, and voila! Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Plus, the lemon juice adds a zesty kick that'll make you say, "Who needs chicken?" Next on the menu, spaghetti aglio e olio. This one is a total game changer. It's simple, yet bursting with flavor. Gather up these ingredients. 12 ounces spaghetti, 1/3 cup olive oil, 8 garlic cloves, thinly sliced, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese, optional but highly recommended. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions. Meanwhile, heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and red pepper flakes, cooking until the garlic is golden and fragrant. Toss in the cooked spaghetti and parsley, then season with salt and pepper. Give it a good mix and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. This dish is rich in antioxidants thanks to the garlic, which also helps boost your immune system. Lastly, we have the ultimate comfort food: sweet potato black bean tacos. These tacos are not just for Taco Tuesday, they're for every day. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, corn tortillas, avocado diced, fresh cilantro chopped, lime wedges. Roast the sweet potatoes with olive oil, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until tender. Warm up your tortillas, then fill them with the roasted sweet potatoes and black beans. Top with avocado, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins A and C, while black beans are a fantastic source of protein and fiber. Together, they make a super nutritious and delicious combo. So there you have it. 3 vegetarian recipes that are so tasty you'll forget they're meat-free. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking. Don't forget your H2O and stay healthy, my friends.